Hi, good evening. Oh, where is Sam? Please wait. Oh, where is the lesson?
Anh không có thấy gì hết. Anh nghi lắm. Anh nhắn tin cho cô. Sao?
Okay, class. Good evening. Nice to see you again. Hi, Fong.
Bà không
Hi,
có tin hả?
Hannah. Where is Sam? Sunny.
Chị cha.
Oh, there is Sunny now. How are you today, Sunny? Why are you absent last night? Why are you absent last night, Sunny?
What?
Oh, are you now feeling well, Sunny?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. Did you take medicine?
Yes. Ngon ơi, chị
Oh,
Hana bảo
drink
này
a
hả?
lot of water, Sunny.
Ngon.
No chocolates, okay?
Hana bảo này nè ngon.
No chocolates for today, so you
I
can feel
have
better. What's that? Oh,
I I
what?
I am not sick anymore.
Oh,
I
that's
drink
good. You
because I
recovered.
drink medicine. Nay anh
What's
em
that
ơi,
sad face?
nay anh em nhà này suốt
Sad
ngày
face.
chỉ chế với nhau không?
Love you. Come
Ê
here,
đó,
come here.
ê chị đó cho em, chửi chị đó cho em.
Hello, Fong. How are you today?
Sao? I'm fine, thank
Oh,
you.
thank you. Okay, did you have your dinner? Did you eat dinner already, Fong?
Yes,
Oh, do you have school? What did you do?
no, I'm holiday.
Oh, it's now holiday? Wow, that's why Hannah is so lucky. Hannah is happy. Oh, you
Em biết
sleep all day, Hannah?
em nghỉ hè mà trời.
Mm.
Hình
So
không
it's holiday, Fong.
cho
What
không
did you do?
mà về tối. À, how many?
Oh, you have a lot. Did you do a lot? What kind of things did you do? What kind of things do you do? Did you play basketball, football
Không,
outside,
biết
or
sáng với
play
lại.
games? Did you play games?
No.
Oh no, you don't play games. Oh, there is Pong's sister. Hello.
Yeah. It's my young sister.
Yes, your younger sister. Okay, very good.
Nè.
Now, Hannah, how are you? Did you take a nap full day?
Yes.
Oh, that's refreshing. Taking a nap is energize your body, recharge your. Oh, what's that? Strawberry? Strawberry. That's strawberry. Oh, oh, tomato? Oh, sorry, that's tomato. Oh, the tomato. Yes,
Rồi có
correct.
tin nhắn,
Tomato.
có tin nhắn thì em tin
Mm-hmm.
nhắn thì em này nhắn
Mm-hmm.
rồi.
Love you. Okay, Hannah,
Bạn
did you
nhắn cái
finish your
gì nó đi vào
homeworks?
nhà này. Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Bạn
Okay,
nhắn
don't forget to submit your
con
homeworks,
dân phố
class,
rồi
and I
em
will
này.
check once you were done, okay? Now, please, Hannah, please read. Oh,
Ừ,
what's that, Liam?
đúng rồi. Vì
Beetroot?
sao? Dạ.
Okay, Hannah, please read aloud the title of our lesson for tonight.
Dạ em ơi. Vì sao?
Fun for.
Bà già
One from
bà
over
già
Unit
bà già rồi.
30 about
Mhm.
me.
Okay, Unit 30 about me. Oh, onions. Oh, okay. Then why is color blue
Ba
if
đồng
that's an
thép
onion? Onion
sáu
is color
hai đồng
purple.
thép sáu.
Okay, now let's start to our lesson.
What?
Now I will ask question. Use your
Số
imaginations to the
sáu đồng
question.
thép.
Let's start with Fong. Okay,
Chú
this is, who is this, Fong?
đợi em chưa?
Who is
Yeah.
this?
Anh này đang It's Bill.
This
It's Bill.
is Bill.
Bill. Nè.
How old is
Help
Bill?
me. Help
Lemon. How old
me.
is
It's
Bill?
This is Bill.
Banana. Oh,
À,
banana. Okay.
5.
He is,
He is Bill.
yes. How old is Bill Fong?
I don't know. I don't know.
Use your imagination to the question. He is, how old is Bill Fong?
How old is Bill? Hmm, I don't know.
He is,
6.
okay, that is also example answer. He is 6 years old.
Oh.
Just use your imagination, class. This is a relevant answer. 6 years old. Okay, what's that? What's that? Green banana? Okay, that is the answer. Next, number 2. Wait. Mommy working. Okay. How tall is he? Do you think? What do you think, Sunny? How tall is Bill?
Is
Centimeters. How tall is he? What do you think?
60 centimeters.
Okay, 70 centimeters. Very good. Hannah, where does he live? Where
He
does
live, he
Okay,
live in
Hannah.
He live in thành phố Hồ Chí Minh.
Hannah, what is your answer?
I don't
I don't
know.
Okay, just use your imagination, class. He is.
teacher.
Oh, there is some. Your answer
He
will be
live,
number 4.
he
Hannah,
live
he lives in
in the
Vietnam.
city.
In Vietnam.
Vietnam. Okay. Next, Sunny, Assam. Number 4. How does he
Does
go
he
to
go?
school? Okay, this is Bill. How does
Maybe
he
he
go?
went to school.
He go to school by.
I don't know.
Okay, choose your imagination. What do you think?
Maybe I think bus.
Oh, by bus. By foot. By bus. Or by foot.
Teacher,
Hi, Sam. Good evening,
I have new
Sam.
toys. I have new toy.
Oh, when did you bought that new toy?
Um,
Today?
yes, today.
Oh, because it's holiday, you go outside with your family.
It's not holiday.
Oh, it's not holiday?
We just go and buy it.
Oh, what kind of toy is that?
The toy named Frog Balance.
Oh, frog balance? How does that
Yes,
toy works?
it has a red. Lisa, this.
Oh, that's interesting. Is that a game?
Yes, it's a game. We need to. We have a frog here. I will show you it. It has lots of frog in this toy. This is a frog.
Oh, a
This is
frog.
a frog.
That's interesting. And then what
And,
happened?
and this has a die.
This had to
This.
die?
No, it had a die. A
Oh,
die.
dive. Okay, dive. That's an interesting toy. Okay, well done, class. You have answered it all. Now let's section 1. Listen and check the questions that Miss White asks. Now, please answer this. This is for, what's that? Apple. For Sam, Hannah, Sunny, Pong. Me, Sam, Hannah, Sunny, Pong, me, and Sam, Hannah. Okay, now let's listen to the audio. Green apple. Put your answer and let's start. About me.
Now, now, here.
Put your answers now.
Do you want music?
Hungry?
Yes.
Tummy hurts? Hungry now? What is that? What do you like to eat? And egg. Don't remove.
Yes, yes. Yes.
We buy food. Okay, we buy food. What do you like? Hamburger.
Yes. Wow.
Okay, do you want to listen one more time?
Go here and go back.
Okay, I will play
What's it?
again. Listen and check the question that Miss White asks. Now, I will play again, class, because my son is loud, is noisy. I will turn off my audio, okay? Now let's start answering the question. How old are you? Okay, this is Sam.
6.
Okay. No, she didn't ask the age. Next, number 2. Hannah, number 2. How many brothers and sisters have you got? Did
I
the
have
Miss White ask that
sister.
question?
I have 2 sisters.
Okay, correct. Next, number 3, Sunny. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
The answer is
Blue.
blue. Next, number 4, Fong. How often do you see your friends?
Often in the school.
In the school. Next, Fong, as me, who do you sit next in class? Who do you sit next in class? Did the teacher ask this question?
No.
Next. Okay. No. Next. Number 6. Sam. How many lessons do you have?
Uh,
How many lessons do you have?
Maybe it's
Oh,
3.
you need to listen carefully, Sam. Okay, next. Let's have Hannah. How do you come to school?
Okay.
How do you come to school, Hannah?
It's 7. It's
Mhm.
5.
Okay,
5.
correct. Number 8, where do you do your homework? Sunny, where do you do your homework?
I did my homework with my mom. I do my homework with my mom.
Okay, at the library. Here is the answer, class. At the library. Now, Fong, which is your favorite school day?
Yes.
Which
A
is your
good
favorite
teacher
school day?
is Saturday. Friday, the Tuesday, it's you. I know. Monday, by Tuesday, Wednesday, yeah, and Friday.
Okay, very good. Next, number 10. What's your favorite film? The answer is Terrible Monsters. Next, Sam. Do you like music?
Yes.
Okay, no. The Miss White never asked that. Next, number 12, Hannah. Can you swim?
Yes.
Yes, that is the answer, class. The one who don't have answers, that is the one Miss White asks. Is that clear, class?
Yes.
Okay, now let's move on to the next. Okay, here are the movers tip. Please read aloud, Sunny, in the speaking. Sunny.
In speaking, you were more men than one. Get much those you pass and it lost to cry. In club more time on cry. In so
Okay, in the speaking, thank you, Sunny. In the speaking, who can produce more than one word, answers will get more marks. You should practice at answering lots of questions. Include more than one piece of information in your answers will help you develop your fluency. Now, answer questions about you. Shh, Liam, quiet please. Liam, no laughing. Okay, let's start with Sam. How old are you?
tụi bạn phải chịu môn đấy.
Sam, how old are you?
6.
I'm 6 years old. How about, okay, number 2, Hannah, how many brothers and sisters have you got?
I have two sisters.
I have 2 sisters with S. I have 2 sisters. Very good. Next, number 3, Pong. What's your favorite color?
Gì mà nhé.
What's your favorite color? Pong. Oh, what are you doing with your sister? What's your favorite color, Pong?
My favorite color is blue.
Okay, is blue. Correct. Next, Sunny. Number 4.
Nhắn gì nhắn hoài vậy trời.
How often do you see your friends? Shh, Liam. Quiet, please. Shh. How often do you see your friends, Sunny? Please unmute now, my dear. I can hear you.
When we go to school.
Okay, when you're going to school. Next, Sam. Who do you sit next to in class? Who do you sit next to in class?
Um, um, squirrel. Squirrel.
Oh, Squirtle.
I saw a friend named Squirrel.
Oh, in school. Next, Hannah. How many lessons do you have?
I have many.
Oh, how many? 10, 15?
I don't know.
I have a lot of lessons. Next, Pong, number 7. How do you come to school? Pong, how do you come to school?
No.
Hello, Pong.
Yeah.
How do you come to school?
My radio is okay.
I come to school by
To go by my 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 motorbike.
motorbike. Okay, next,
Con
Sunny,
đi bao nhiêu?
where do you do your homework?
Còn 51 con ai thì phải nào nữa.
Where do you do your homework, Sunny?
Home.
I do my homework at home. Next, Sam, which is your favorite school day? Which is your favorite school day?
It's sunny.
Oh, sunny. Sunny day or holiday? Next, Hannah. What's your favorite film? Hannah, what's your favorite film?
Gọi như gì đó.
Okay.
Rồi con đấy chị thử coi nào.
Your favorite
Ai ba
film.
con chị đó.
What?
Trên xem hai con này.
What's your favorite film, Hannah? What is your favorite movie? Titanic?
Up to
Một con năm
Sướng ạ. Ui dồi ôi. Ui
không.
My favorite film.
Bỏ đại đi. Còn mình.
Mandy.
Okay, what is the example?
Đi rửa đi. Bỏ ngoài ní à.
Đọc cái tên này.
Đó. Rửa luôn.
Gì? Chị một con ách đi rồi cái đã.
Đó. Hành rửa. Xuống bò bố cùng đưa. Kiểu phố.
Ok. Theo ra.
Rồi chơi đi. Học đi. Học đi.
Này có cô xuất sắc này.
My favorite film.
Bỏ. Lên vô.
Con ách, hai con ách. Đúng rồi. Đúng rồi. Còn 51 con ách à? Con là bốn. Ở đây con là 4 ách.
Which is your favorite film?
Doraemon cartoon.
51 chứ.
Yes, Doraemon. Okay, next, Phong. Do you like music?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, what kind of music, Phong?
Không phải là 52 con. 52 con là đủ.
What kind of music?
It many.
Okay, a lot. Now, Sunny, can you swim?
No.
Can you swim?
No.
No, I can't. Okay, well done. Oh, this is the last part. Oh my. Look, read, and do. Look, read, and do. Okay, how do we do this? How do we do this, class? How do you think to do this, Hannah?
I don't know.
Look, read, and do.
Riêng vào đầu.
How many words for colors are there? Say the color, not the word you read. Now, Phong, you're first. Please read aloud.
Rầy à? Con rẫy mà xạo nó hết đỡ đuổi thì người.
Phong, please read aloud, Phong.
Này trong cái nó rồi ở trong hồ của ớt nên năm nhắn lại.
Hello. Okay, you can play later, Phong.
Được quá chụp chúng ta sẽ động. Purple, blue.
Very good. Okay, next. How many words for colors are there? Sam, how many words?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 words.
9
9
words.
words.
Okay. Next,
Bị ao ra. Anh gõ con Minh.
Hannah, write the sports that you like playing and watching in the top part. Write the sports that you like playing and watching in the top part. Oh, what sports is that?
Đi chơi. Ra đi chơi được hai.
Hannah? Okay. Okay, later, Sam, later. Hannah, write your answer, Hannah. Write the sports that you like playing and watching in the top part. Here, write your favorite sport here.
Chuyện như chơi thì xong ai thua nó sẽ đi quái, người ta sẽ chịu hình phạt.
Trong hai đồ của anh.
Okay, Sunny, write your favorite sport here. Mom, write your favorite sport here.
Hỏi bánh
Sam,
keo hả? Này chứ.
Thành nhau trên xe bá nó bay họ lên không chịu cái đau nó sụn
Sam. Oh, is that English? Hannah? Or Vietnamese? Or Vietnamese? English, please. Okay, please listen carefully. Write your favorite sport here. For example, basketball. Write your favorite sport here, class. Sam, what is your favorite sport?
My sport is
What's your favorite sport?
không phải môn cận cái vực này cứ đi qua. Soccer.
Now, write it here, soccer.
Okay. Soccer.
Now, Fong, what is your favorite sport, Fong?
My favorite sport is badminton.
Okay, write your answer here, Hannah. What is your favorite sport? Sam, put it your answer here in the top.
Here. Finish. Rồi bạn sang tung 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 thành một khẩu súng.
Biết để gì nói như nào.
Cái đi cả được để đàn.
Painting and singing. Okay, that is Hannah. How about Sunny? Sunny, put your answer here, Fong. Put your answer here, Fong.
Mine is listening.
Okay, listening. Put your answer here.
Okay.
Oh, what is the spelling is this? What spelling is this? Soccer.
Soccer. The arrow.
How about Fong? What is your favorite sport?
Play for me.
Next, in the bottom part, here is the bottom part. Write 2 of your favorite food. Put a star next to them. My favorite sport is swimming.